What's happening, guys? Alright, so my wife wants me to make a little planter for some beans that we're growing. We just started growing. I just planted these, I don't know, about a week ago, I guess. So I figured I'd shoot a little video of it. Here we go.
The further we move on from all those yesterdays, happiness gets nearer. The light that we see closing in so fast ahead, it's hope, it's getting clearer.
Alright, so I got the first little part just connected with one screw. I'm going to build 2 more layers on this.
If nothing's broken us, nothing ever will. 'Cause dreams are hard to kill. And I know somewhere's a place where we can build our memories. Somewhere, just hold on tight.
Alright, so that is how it will sit tonight, and then yeah, that should be plenty strong enough for it to hold, and then we'll continue on from there. Alright, so it's been raining for like 2 days, and so I haven't been back out to mess with the... What was I making? Oh yeah, the planter for the beans. But I made a mealworm farm while I waited. So this I can feed to the chickens and so forth. And the way it works is that this is a screen down here. The mealworms will turn into beetles, and then the beetles will lay eggs. The eggs will fall down into here, into the oatmeal, and then they will turn into mealworms again. Keep repeating the cycle. I constantly have mealworms to feed these guys. Girls. So, yeah. Let's get back to the garden thingy. Alright, so it's still raining right now, so I can't work on anything. But, look at how much these have grown since the day before yesterday. I think that's kind of cool.
Say you love me, say you like you mean it. 'Cause lately I've been wondering if we should be together. Tell me how you feel, it's now or never, now or never. But you're yelling at me for something
Alright, so the rain has stopped, and we should be able to finish this little planter. Let's just jump right into it. Well, that'll work. Little raised bed bean garden for my wife. Kind of like the way that it turned out. Everything I had was just scrap wood, so I was just sitting around rotting, doing nothing. I get a few seasons out of this, and yeah, make the wife happy. That's gonna do it. Bye.